Hello student, it's me Unidhi ma'am. Student, today I am going to teach you the second chapter of your book. Chapter name is Formatting Cell and Function in Excel. First of all, I want to explain what the formatting is. Formatting is an important feature in MS Excel which allows us to make the Excel spreadsheet look more readable and attractive. Let's go through the chapter to understand how we can format a file in Excel spreadsheet. What is the use of formatting cell? We use format cell to change the formatting of cell number without changing the number itself. We can use format cell to change the number, alignment, font style, border style, fill option and so on. We format the cell to make the outline of spreadsheet look better, otherwise it will be difficult to read the given data. Formatted cell and text draw the attention of the viewer to a specific part of the spreadsheet and make the spreadsheet visually more appealing and readable. Next topic is formatting text. Formatting of text means changing the appearance of the text. Formatting text or number can make them appear more visible, especially when you have a large worksheet. Changing default format include things like changing the font color, style, size, text alignment in a cell or apply formatting effects. Commands for formatting text are available in a font, alignment and number group on the ribbon. First thing is font group. Font group lets you change the style, size and color of the text. Alignment in the group let you format how text will be displayed in group cell both horizontally and vertically. Next group is number. Number command allow you to change how the selected cell will display number and dates. Commands for formatting text are available in three groups. First, font group, which is presented here in a home tab. Second group is alignment, which is present after the font group. And third one is a number. It is present after the alignment group. Next topic is changing the font style. To change the font style, follow the given step. Here are some steps to change the font style. First step is select a cell that contain text. Means select a cell that you want to change the font style. Then click on a home tab. Again click on a font option drop down arrow which is present in the font group. Third step is scroll the browse through the various fonts. Select that font you want to use. The select font style will be applied to the selected cell or the cell in which the text is to be added after the font selection. I want to show the practical of this topic, how to change a font style. Firstly, go to the home tab. In a font group, the font drop down arrow present. Click on it. Click on it Select any one style that you want to change. Okay, this is a picture of a font style. Changing the font style, first go to the home tab. In a home tab, go to the font group and select any style that you want to wish. Okay, next topic is changing the font size. To change the font size, follow the given step. First step is select the cell that contain text that need to modify. Second step is click on a font option drop down arrow present next to the font group of the home tab. The font size drop down menu will appear. Third step is scroll the browse over the various font size. A preview of the font size will appear over the text in selected cell as you browse through different font size in a worksheet. Select the font size that you want to use. This is a picture. To change a font size, firstly go to the home tab. In a font group, font drop down arrow present, select any one font size. Your selected cell will be converted as your selected number size. Okay, I am going to show the practical of this topic. Firstly, select the cell. After selecting the cell, firstly go to the home tab. In font group, the font size drop down arrow present. Click on it. Select any one size. After selecting the size, your selected text will be converted into a selected size. Okay. Next topic is using bold, italic and underline commands. To use the bold, italic and underline commands, follow the given step. Firstly, select the cell that contain the text that need to be modified. Next step, click on a home tab. Bold, italic and underline options are present in the font group. Click on the bold option to make the text bold, italic option to make the text italic, and underline option to give underline below the text in the selected cell. This is a picture of the commands. Bold, italic and underline. Using the bold, italic and underline command, firstly select the cell, select the text. Go to the home tab. Bold, italic and underlines commands are present in a font group. Click on a bold command to make the text bold, italic command to make the text italic, and underline command to give the underline below the text in the selected cell. Next topic is changing the font color. To change the font color, follow the given step. First step is select a cell that you want to modify. Next one, click on a font. Color drop down arrow present in a font group in a home tab. The color menu will appear. Select the font color that you want to use. As you browse through the colors, the color of a text in the selected cell will keep changing on the basis of on which color the mouse is kept. This will give you a preview of the text in a different color. This one is a picture. How to change a font color? Firstly, go to the home tab. In a font group, the font color button appears. Click the drop down arrow. There are so many colors are present. Click any one color. Your selected text or font will be converted into a selected color. To change a font color, firstly select the text that you want to change in a home tab. In a font group, the font color option will appear. Click on the drop down arrow of a font color option. Here are more color are available. The color of the text in a selected cell will keep changing on the basis of on which color the mouse is kept. Look at the screen carefully. Okay. Whenever I place a mouse pointer on a green color, your selected text will be converted into a green. I am placing a N on a yellow color. Your selected text will be converted into a yellow color. Okay. So student, today आपने देखा what the formatting text is, how to change a font style, how to change a font size using bold, italic and underline option, how to change the font color. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आपको आगे का टॉपिक कंटिन्यू करूँगी. ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.